In today's business landscape, managing human resources effectively is just as crucial as managing projects or finances. This has led to the rise of sophisticated software solutions designed to streamline HR processes. One term you'll often encounter in this context is HRIS, which stands for Human Resources Information System. Given Sage's strong presence in the business software market, particularly in accounting and ERP, a natural question arises. Is Sage an HRIS? To answer this question comprehensively, we need to first understand what exactly an HRIS entails. At its core, an HRIS is a software system that helps organizations manage and automate various HR functions. Think of it as a central digital hub for all employee-related data and processes. A comprehensive HRIS typically includes modules for employee data management. This is the foundation, allowing for the storage and organization of essential employee information such as names, addresses, contact details, job titles, salary, and employment history. Payroll management, automating the often complex process of calculating wages, deductions, and taxes, as well as generating payslips and handling direct deposits. Benefits administration, managing employee benefits programs, including health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks, one often allowing employees to self-enroll and manage their selections. 1. ResumeCraft.com. ResumeCraft.com. Time and attendance. Tracking employee working hours, managing time-off requests, and ensuring accurate payroll calculations based on actual hours worked. Talent management. This broad category can include modules for recruitment and applicant tracking, performance management, learning and development, and succession planning. HR reporting and analytics, providing tools to generate reports on various HR metrics, enabling data-driven decision-making and identifying trends within the workforce. Now, let's turn our attention to Sage. As mentioned earlier, Sage is primarily known for its accounting and financial management software. Their core offerings traditionally revolved around helping businesses manage their income, expenses, invoicing, and overall financial health. However, recognizing the interconnectedness of different business functions, Sage has expanded its portfolio over the years. Within Sage's suite of products, you will indeed find solutions that address various HR needs. However, it's crucial to understand the scope and depth of these HR-related offerings compared to a dedicated comprehensive HRIS. Sage offers payroll software that is widely used by businesses to manage their employee compensation. This software typically handles tasks such as calculating wages, managing deductions, generating payslips, and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. In this specific area of payroll, Sage certainly functions as a key component often integrated within an HRIS. Furthermore, Sage provides solutions for HR management. These offerings often include features for managing employee records, tracking absences, and potentially handling basic HR workflows. Some Sage products might also touch upon areas like benefits administration and performance management, but the extent of these functionalities can vary significantly depending on the specific Sage product you are considering. However, it's important to make a distinction. While Sage offers tools that cover certain aspects of HR, it might not always provide the same level of depth and breadth as a dedicated, full-fledged HRIS, especially when it comes to the broader spectrum of talent management. A dedicated HRIS often boasts more extensive features for recruitment and applicant tracking, in-depth performance management with goal setting and feedback mechanisms, comprehensive learning and development platforms, and robust succession planning tools. Think of it this way. Sage's core strength lies in financial management. Their HR-related offerings often complement this core strength, particularly in areas like payroll, which has a direct financial impact. While they provide valuable tools for managing employees, a company with complex HR needs, particularly in areas like talent acquisition and development, might find that a dedicated HRIS offers a more specialized and comprehensive solution. For instance, a dedicated HRIS might offer sophisticated applicant tracking systems, ATS, with features like automated resume screening, interview scheduling, and candidate communication workflows. Similarly, their performance management modules might include features for 360-degree feedback, customizable performance review templates, and goal alignment across the organization. Learning and development modules in a dedicated HRIS often include features for creating and delivering online training courses, tracking employee progress, and managing compliance training. Therefore, to definitively answer the question, is Sage an HRIS? The most accurate answer is it depends on the specific Sage product you are referring to. Sage offers solutions that cover key HR functions, particularly payroll and basic HR administration. These solutions can be valuable, especially for smaller businesses or those whose primary need is tightly integrated with their accounting functions. However, for organizations with more complex and extensive HR requirements, especially in the realm of talent management, a dedicated HRIS might offer a more comprehensive and specialized suite of tools.